Hi, hello, I am from Aislyn Technology. Today we are implementing the project called IoT based robot control. Here we are using motor driver and microcontroller as node MCU, which consists of ESP8266 Wi-Fi module, and power supply we are using. And this is a 4-wheel robot. There are 4 wheels. This is the robot we are using. Now we can see how to interface the all components with node MCU. First we need to connect the motor driver with the robot. The motor driver consists of 4 output pins. Those are out 1, out 2, out 3 and out 4. And here there are 3 pins. Which one is? This one is 12 volt, this one is ground, and this one is 5 volt. And here there are 4 pins which we are using to control the motors. These are known as input pins. Input pin 1, input pin 2, input pin 3 and input pin 4. We need to connect the motors to these output pins. I am connecting. Now I connected all 4 motors with motor driver. Now we need to connect the power supply to the motor. First we are connecting ground of the power supply to ground of the motor driver. Next I am connecting VCC of the power supply connecting to the 12 volt of the motor driver. Now I am connecting the input pins of the motor driver to node MCU. Here we are using 4 input pins. I am connecting digital pin number 1 first of the node MCU to the input pin of the motor driver 1 and digital pin number 2 of the node MCU to input pin number 2 of the motor driver. Like that I am connecting digital pin 3 of the node MCU. I am connecting input pin of the motor driver and digital pin number 4 of the node MCU. I am connecting input pin of the motor driver. For giving power supply to node MCU, I am using the power supply from the motor driver. For that I am connecting V in of the node MCU to the 5 volt of the motor driver. And ground of the node MCU I am connecting ground of the motor driver. Now connection is over. Now we can see how to dump the code into the ESP8266 Node MCU module. Now we can see how to dump the code in Node MCU module for Android app control robot. First we need to install the Arduino IDE software. After that, to dump the code, we need to write the program. After that, in Arduino IDE software, we need to go to the tools. In that, we need to select the board which we are using in this project, which is called Node MCU ESP8266 Wi-Fi module. We need to go to the boards. In that we need to select ESP8266. In that, we need to select Node MCU 1.0. After selecting the board, we need to select the port. Here I am selecting COM9. After selecting the board and port, we need to dump the code to the Node MCU board. For that, we need to go to the sketch. Here we can see verify and compile. Click on verify and compile. Now we can see code is compiling. Done compiling. After compiling, again we need to go to the sketch, and here can see upload. To upload the code, we need to click on upload. Now code is uploading. Now we can see done uploading. Now we can see practically how IoT based robot control it will work. In this user interface, we can see 4 options. This is forward, left, right and backward. This robot we are controlling using Blink IoT app. Now we can see how to give the command using these push buttons which we created here in Blink IoT app. Now I am giving command forward. Now I am giving command backward. Now I am giving command right. Now I am giving command left. Right, left, forward, backward, left, right, forward, backward. Like this, we can control the robot using Blink IoT application through mobile app. Thank you for watching our video. Please like, share and subscribe our channel.